baguette is the most traditional French bread. It's long as a stick. Freshly baked baguettes are nice and crumbly and get better with every bite. Make nut baguettes. A standard baguette has a strict weight requirement. A baguette is long, just like a stick or rod. Use a knife to cut. Then, after it's baked, it will have a beautiful shape. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Oh, the finished baguette smells good. Spread on some delicious jam. Not enough coins. Ham. Cheese. Cheese. Choose a nice-looking plate. Which nuts to choose? All of them are very tasty. Yeah, this baguette is quite good.